So I went to the beauty supply store today to get my hair, and I went to a black owned one. So I got this braiding hair, but I wanted to get water wave hair just in case the locks don't look right. If not, I could do Goddess Braids. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joselle. I just washed my hair. It's freshly washed. I don't have any product in there. I was like, you know what, let me do some African threading per. African threading is the closest I could get to like a blowout, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just do 4. I'm just gonna use my fingers because who got the time for all of this extra stuff? So the first thing I'm doing is splitting my hair into 4 parts so that I can just do 4 African threading sections. And here I'm using this argan oil cream of nature thing. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm just bringing it all over my hair, like so, like that, like Miss Tabitha says, Auntie Tabitha. I have this thread. I've been doing African threading my whole life. My mom has done it for my hair, for her hair, for my sister's hair. So we've been using this just kind of regular sewing thread. Y'all, tell me why my mom used to make my sister and I go to school with our hair in African threading. We had to go to school with our hair like that. Yes, they made fun of us. I'm pretty sure I took one of my school photos with my hair like this. Yeah, I see the picture right there. My 2nd grade photo, I had to take a picture of my hair like that. I was so mad. I was like, oh my gosh, like, could you just take it out just for one day and then do it again? But yeah, you just hold it at the top of your head and then you just start to wrap it. Honestly, I can't do it as tight as my mom. Obviously, I can't do it as tight as her. Just go down as far as you can, or as far as you want to. This is fine for me. I'm taking it out tomorrow, so I don't need it to be perfect. And you just knot it once or twice. And yeah, this is pretty much as good as I could do it. I finished. As you can see, I finished them. They're not that good, but like I said, I'm taking them out literally tomorrow in a couple of hours, so it's literally fine. I'm just gonna tie it back like this. I'll see y'all tomorrow when we really start doing a hair per. I gotta go. I'm really hungry, so yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, so as you can see, these are not locks. They're also not passion twists, but let me tell you what happened. So I'm on my way to the beauty supply store, right? I go in there, it's black owned, I'm feeling comfortable, right? So I asked them, I said, hey, y'all got expression here? They ain't got expression here. So they gave me this other kind of braiding hair. I don't really like it, but I mean, it does the job, right? It braids. So like, fine, I'll take that. Then I asked them, like, if they have water wave hair, because every single lock video that I've seen, like full lock video, they always use water wave hair. So I'm like, y'all got water wave? They don't have water wave. I'm like, that's fine, that's fine. But I forgot to ask if they had spring twist hair before I got the deep wave. So I just said, okay, just give me the deep wave. So I come here today doing my hair. I'm over here wrapping it, trying to make it look good. I get to the bottom and I use the nail glue and I let go. The whole thing just unravels. Like, it doesn't even stay together. I should show you what it looked like, but I was really embarrassed. It just did not look right. And I was like, you know, I'm not about to keep trying this with my whole head. I don't really have the time. I gotta finish my hair today, so I don't have the time to like keep on trying different methods. So like, you know what, fine, I'll just do passion twist because I love passion twists. It still gives the same kind of vibe I was going for. So I'm over here trying to use passion twist and they're just too loose because the water wave hair is much tighter, so it's not giving the same look. And so I'm sitting here like, oh my gosh, could I just do regular little braids? Which is fine, I love braids, but I just wanted a certain vibe, you know what I'm saying? And then I was like, Goddess braids, I could do that easy. And so as you can see, I've started. I'm not doing them too small. What I'm doing is every other braid, I'll add the deep wave hair. So like this braid here, I added the hair into it, and so the next braid I won't add it, and then after that, so on and so forth. So this is what we have so far. They look pretty good, but I'll take a pretty thick section like this, I'll split it in half and then overlap the ends like this, so it kind of makes it longer. Here I have the shining jam. So once I put the gel in, just detangle the section with my comb. So I know some people, they just put it in and start braiding, but I kind of do it differently. Like, I do it the way my mom does it. How am I gonna show this? Okay, you put it in, you wrap it around, and then you start to braid. And I just keep braiding down. So once I get to the bottom where I'm like pretty much done braiding, I take nail glue and put it on the end of the hair on both sides. And I just keep braiding down just a little bit. And yeah, that's one braid down. For the deep wave hair, I don't just take one section like this for each braid. I split them into like 3 sections. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So once I started the braid, I just kind of braid down a little bit, and then I take the hair. I have one side shorter than the other, and then I just kind of put it in, and I braid it down a little bit, and then the shorter side, I take that out, and I keep braiding. Once I've gotten about like this far, I'm gonna take out this one, and then continue braiding all the way down. and then put nail glue on the ends like we did before. And that's one. I want it to be full, but I don't want it to be too full, so that's why I'm doing every other one. So I'm gonna go and finish the majority of my hair. Yeah, it's looking really good. Okay, so because I was running out of space on my phone, I just decided to just finish my hair and then come back. I'm just trimming off some of my ends so they look a little bit even. And y'all, I was up till 4 a.m. This is the finished product, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, y'all, this is tomorrow, Valentine's Day. I'm doing my makeup. Honestly, my eyebrows are just so bad. I bought a new eyebrow product and I got the wrong color, so it makes my eyebrows look so ashy. Like, I was not having it. But anyway, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't know the shade, but I guess you can kind of just look at it. And I'm using it on my eyelids as a primer. And next, I'm taking the James Charles palette. And look, y'all, I know, but listen, it's already paid for, so I might as well finish it. I'm taking those two colors and using it in my crease with my crease brush. And now I'm taking these two gold colors and putting it on my eyelids. I'm putting it in like my inner eyelid, kind of like in a cut crease kind of way, but not really, because who has time to do a real cut crease? But like, this is gonna be like a fake cut crease, you know what I'm saying? And then next, I'm taking these two kind of pinky colors and putting it on my outer corner of my eyelids, but mostly like I'm putting it like in the middle and towards the outer, but not all the way to the outer V, just a little bit like that. And now I'm taking my crease colors and blending them into my crease some more, and also my outer V. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. Jumbo Felt Tip Pen Liner and just lining my eyes. And I'm going back in with my crease colors and putting on my bottom lash line. And now I'm taking this color and I'm putting it in my inner corner as a highlight. Next, I have this Maybelline Full and Soft mascara, and it's nothing, it's a cute mascara, but I only use it because it's hypoallergenic, so it doesn't make my eyes burn and all that, so it's lit. And lastly, I'm gonna just wipe off all the fallout from underneath my eyes. So on to the hair, I'm gonna just take off my silk scarf, and all I'm doing today for my hair is I'm gonna just take 2 pieces from the front to frame my face, and then 2 pieces from each side and just tying it back into a knot. Kind of like a half up, half down, but not really half up, half down because the majority is down, but you can just see what I'm doing here. But yeah, that is it. That's what I did. I did try to fix my eyebrows again because they were just not giving. Like, they look so bad, but I could not fix it. So I'm gonna have to throw away the eyebrow product because it's just not working. Like, it's just too light. So here's the finished look with all my makeup and my beautiful Goddess Braids. I love this hairstyle. I'm actually happy that the locks didn't turn out because this look is so cute. But anyway, that is all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!